Hi everybody, I know you're going to find what I'm about to share very valuable if you've ever found yourself asking, how do I find my purpose? How do I follow my purpose and pay my bills? Why do I know what I should be doing, yet I'm still not doing it? How do I stop feeling stuck and going in circles? So what's the real problem? For most people, it's a lack of clarity and a gap between having the knowledge and making it happen. So why does this gap exist? You're probably missing these 4 key factors: a clear step-by-step system, accountability, community, and direct guidance from somebody who's walked the path. Without these, you're likely to stay stuck for years. So what's the solution, you may be wondering? It's my purpose-aligned path curriculum in Spirit Gym. It's not a course. It's not a workshop. It's a membership. So what do you get? You get my 8-step system that will help you find your purpose and create a clear, definitive plan of action. You get me 2 times a month, and my private clients pay $7.50 an hour for my consultation and coaching and guidance, and you will get me and all my life experience for literally pennies on the dollar. You will get a community of intelligent, loving, passionate people that want to learn and grow and participate. And not only do they want to help you live your dreams, but you will see they may need some of your wisdom to help live theirs. So the community is how we all strengthen each other, inspire each other, and grow together, accomplish and manifest our dreams together. So what is my promise to you if you follow my 8-step system? You'll go from stuck, confused, lacking clarity and direction, and not taking action, to having a crystal clear purpose, plan, accountability, and actually doing it. So let me tell you why I created Spirit Gym. Well, I've been a therapist, a guide, a counselor, a holistic lifestyle coach for 42 years now. That's a lot of time. I've actually taken 5 of the world's greatest athletes that were forced into medical retirement, put them back in their career, and they went on to make millions and millions of dollars. I have worked with people from every walk of life, from field workers to billionaires. I have helped many people create the life they want. I have helped people that were lost in life get clear on what their dream was, using the exact system I'm sharing with you here. I have seen people go from lost, confused, and broke to having the business of their dreams, the home of their dreams, and the family of their dreams. Many of my students have started amazing businesses worldwide. So I know some of you are probably thinking, I don't have time. Well, guess what? Module 3 is to show you exactly how to fit your purpose into your current life. Some of you may be thinking, I can't afford it. Well, in Module 5, I show you how to deal with money, fear, transitions. I don't know my purpose. Well, Module 1 is designed for you, starting from scratch. I'm doing this all alone. That's why we have a community of inspired, motivated people doing exactly the kind of work you want to do and supporting you in it. So why should you join Spirit Gym versus anything else? Well, I think a lot of you have spent enough time looking around to realize that a lot of what's out there is pretty fluffy. Most of it's not practical, a lot of it's theoretical, and a lot of it's talk without being backed by action. I've been at this 42 years. I've been through bankruptcy and I've made millions. I've learned how to follow the path of the Tao, and I want to share that with you. So my invitation to you is that the doors are opening soon, and this means you'll be the first to know and have access to this amazing program. It's free to be on this list so you don't miss anything out. You're here right now, so something's led you to come here. Probably your soul. Bring your consciousness down to your heart and use your heart to feel what you know. If this is the 8-step program that's right for you, sign up and the rest will be magical.